golden era that stays in your heart forever. Good morning, everyone. Today's assembly is being conducted by the staff of Indian School of Excellence. आज का सुविचार, बच्चे किसी भी देश के वो अनमोल रत्न हैं जिनकी कीर्ति की चमक से जमाना रोशन होता है. Today is the day for you to play, to laugh, to sing in every way. With smiles so bright and hearts so true, the world is better because of you.
Dream big, little ones. Your future is as limitless as the sky. One small step at a time. Never stop dreaming, exploring and learning. Enjoy this day, make wonderful memories and always remember how special you are. Once again, wishing you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.